Okay, we got a 2008 Toyota Sienna. The automatic doors stopped working. The cable actually broke. So we trimmed up the cables, took them out. We're going to kind of show you how to take everything apart. And yeah. So first things first, kind of a step-by-step. Take these two Phillips head screws out. Okay. Then we got to take this piece loose. The lock has to be locked to get this out. It just pops right out. Disconnect the power running to it and get that out of the way for right now. We'll need it again later. And then there's a screw that sits way down on the bottom over here. It's right down here. I've already taken it out, but it sits right there, if you can see that. Anyway, so I've taken that out. Next step would be to kind of take your hand around the bottom, just gently pull outward. You'll hear the popping. So you can wiggle it and it'll all pop loose. Okay, then just come around the back side, of course. Just keep doing the same thing, pull it slightly away, it'll pop. Then when it's done, you lift up. When you get them all loose, you'll lift up and it'll, oop, forgot one step. Pause it. First step, we kind of missed the first step. Right outside here, right here. There is, you'll put the window down, and right here is this little pop out. You just got to slip it in there and pull it out, and then pull that out. Then this piece slides up and out of there. Just lift straight up. I'll store that for later. Okay. Now you can lift straight up on this door panel and it'll come out. Just like that. Okay, the next step is just hook this back up and then turn the key on. And then right here, you will see two plugs right here. There's a plug right here and a plug back here. You should be able to just work them, pop them right out. Okay. The next step with those is you want to look inside there and line up the door, or line up, you'll see two bolts come up.
Just about. Okay, oh, up a little more. Right there.
Okay, you see them? So next, that's the next step, line that up. That'll help you out a lot. Ow. And you can go ahead and just... And now everything pretty much on this door will be a 10mm metric. You should be able to go straight in there. Just take them loose. Once you get them loose, I recommend just easing it out. Then come out nice and easy. And there's that little bolt. You'll have to do the same thing with the same thing with the back one right here. Ease it out till it gets loose, then bring it out nice and easy. Set it aside. Okay. Next step, you got to remove the window. Okay, the next step is to remove the window. And to do that, you've got to come around this side and you will find there's 2 bolts. One right here. So hold that door so it doesn't move. There's one up here, one right there, and one that's right there. For these I'll use an open-end wrench. And then right here is a Phillips. You need to take that out too.
Okay, go ahead.
Best to use a shorty. You need one. It's the only way to do it. To remove that. Right there. Okay, take that screw out. We'll save that for later.
You open ends right there.
Then it's best to have a 10mm wrench. I got a ratcheting one, so it saves time. And take those 2 bolts that I showed you out. Okay, let's see. Now that once you get these 2 bolts removed, there's one more you've got to loosen. But you just want to loosen it. It's a bugger to realign. If you mess up, it's right here. So there's the latch right below it, right there. That one. You need to loosen this. Loosen it about halfway. That's what I did. Halfway, so half the threads are on there.